Hello, and welcome to this how-to guide from Quantique. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Getting Started source code from GitHub, make some simple changes, rebuild and securely deliver to your IoT device using QuarkLink Photo. Here we can see my device has a green LED and is publishing its device ID and account to the QuarkLink hosted MQTT broker. Let's get the source code and make some changes. First thing we need to do is navigate to the Quantique GitHub and clone the Getting Started project. I'll place a link in the description below. You can see we have the Getting Started projects for the supported devices. Do check out our other video on navigating the GitHub. For this video, we need to navigate to the Getting Started ESP32 project. We need to click on the green clone button and copy the HTTPS link to the project and then open a bash shell. Let's create a directory for our project and change into it. Now let's issue a git clone command, paste our link, let's change into our newly created folder. Now we need to grab the QuarkLink library. We can get that from GitHub. This is our Getting Started project, which is available via the Apache license. The QuarkLink code is proprietary and shared as a binary. Let's go to the binaries folder. Here we can see the Getting Started binaries. These are included in your QuarkLink instance, but we do release updates from time to time, and this is where you find them. For now, we are interested in the QuarkLink client library. We have two builds for each device, a debug and release build. I'll download both releases for the ESP32 board. That's the libraries downloaded. Let's put them in the correct library folder within our project. Copy from here. Find our project folder, then the lib folder, paste here. Now let's edit the source code. Let's change the LED color. First we change the default to color 4. Then we define color 4 here. Let's call it magenta. Now let's search for the set LED color function. Now I'll add the code to set the LED to magenta. The format of this function is the LED strip we wish to address, the index of the LED, which is 0, the amount of red, we'll have some red, green, no green, and we will have some blue. Let's also change the topic that we publish to. We need to find where the MQTT topic is created. Let's just next down, next again, next again. Here. This is the code we need. This is where we build the topic string. Here we can see it's currently topic/device ID, as we saw earlier. Let's add the word video to our topic. Now we just need to save our changes and exit back to the bash shell. Let's just check we can call platform IO. Let's check the version. Now let's build the project. We simply call PIO run. This will take a little while depending on your machine. Let me speed up the video. Success! The project has been built. The binary file will be in a .pio folder. Then the build release type, which will either be VE fuses or release. If we look at the bin files, we can see firmware.bin. Because we have securely provisioned our device using QuarkLink, we've set eFuses, enabled secure boot and flash encryption with the keys being held in the QuarkLink HSM. We need to securely deliver the firmware.bin file via the QuarkLink photo service, which will also sign the firmware and to notify the device that an update is available. Let me find the binary file in Windows Explorer so we can upload it to QuarkLink. Back to QuarkLink, navigate to the firmware page. Here we can see the pre-configured firmware. Let's add the firmware we just created. Give it a name. Drag and drop the file here and hit upload. Now we simply need to edit our batch to apply the new firmware to it. Hit save and apply the changes. The IoT device will be periodically pinging QuarkLink for status updates, and it will be notified that there is firmware to apply. Let me bring up the webcam again so we can see the LED change. If we look at the MQTT broker, we can see that it stopped publishing, so the photo process is underway. The LED colour has changed. The device has completed the photo process and is now running our new code. It will now be connecting to the MQTT broker, and we will see the new topic being published in a moment. There it is. We're now publishing our new topic. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Follow Quantique on YouTube, LinkedIn, and our other social networks listed in the description below for more helpful guides.